Hi guys, welcome to Sons of Cane. This week we're looking at the Cane Master system again from Grandmaster Mark Schey, and we're looking at Cane technique number 17.
If you've seen our previous videos, you'll know what we're going to be doing. So I'll show you the nice technique, basic bunkai, a couple of variants and some ideas that you can work on. Then Kev's going to jump in and show it from his perspective. CT17, bringing the cane up, somebody's coming from the side, two hands, nice bayonet strike, followed by an anti-clockwise roll and drop down for an armbar. In this instance, somebody's come up to the side, they put their hand on my shoulder, whatever it is they're going to do, I'm not sure, it's an aggressor, I've turned, I've driven my cane into their midsection, solar plexus, throat, whatever it is, and I'm bringing this round, rolling them off and down. If they keep a firm grip on me, which if you have your training partner, be warned them, if they keep a good grip, as this comes over, it's going to cause a lot of discomfort. So just for this process of this, as it comes over, he's going to let go. Okay. Ways to adapt it. Personally, I've never been attacked from the side, but if Callum attacks me, so I've got a slight angle, if he comes in from the front, what I could be doing is getting off his centre line to do the attack. So if I'm here, if he comes in from the front, as the attack comes in, I'm moving away, I'm off his centre line for the strike. And then I can do, either rotate this out of the way, I can strike the face, or any other of these points. Works either well. If he's grabbed my cane, works well from here because I can step to the side, I can drive that in and I've got a nice release. Again, think about the principle, it can adapt for anything. Even from a grab, this works nice from a grab. One or two-handed, it makes no difference. I'm off his power line, I can drive through, and again, I've got this nice technique. I can hook down with the leg. If you reverse the cane, which is something we haven't talked about yet, same technique, but I'm getting a different range of techniques from just by changing where the position of the crook is, especially if I come over around the neck. So again, don't just think in one dimension, change your grips, see what happens to the technique.
Right, from the seated position, they're coming in from the side, the cane's coming up, I'm grabbing, outside circle and down. So if I bring Chris in now and then just show you how it works when someone's trying to grab me in a seated position. Now I've got a range of attacks, as Chris has said before. He's got all this. I've also got the arm. So we look through, we'll give the attack, coming over, as with every bodied, and coming through. If he's got a two-handed, and I do this, for myself, once I've got to here, and I've come over, I've got the crook strike at the end of it. It just works out a lot easier for me because I haven't got that full range of movement, I can't take the step back, I can't bring them off their balance that way. The way this differs from the able-bodied is with the able-bodied, you're using a strike to change their balance, their body position. Here, to get to me, they've got to change it themselves. So if he wants to punch me, you see his body mechanics. If you bring punch right in, Chris, the body mechanics, he's leaning forward, he's already over. So whereas this strike usually is used to like bend them over, if Chris has got me, I can actually use balance points. There's a balance points in the shoulder as well, so if he comes from here, I'm coming into where the joint is and just pushing. So again, with the CT12, if you haven't seen it, we'll put a little link up below. The CTs adapt to a wheelchair quite nicely. There are a few that have got movements, but this one I believe works quite well. Chris has just asked me, what happens if he grabs my cane? If you haven't seen the sticky cane video, again, I'll put a little link up at the top. If my cane's here, which is usually either here or here, so he grabs the cane. So again, with the sticky cane, I can pull back so the crook is clearing my knee, to then go into the strike. Now because it's an anti-clockwise, or what I call an outside, it's actually working really nice for me. There's no power here for Chris at all. I can literally, watch your face, he's got no power, he's got no grip at all. So again, once I get to this point, I'm going to strike. I don't need to bring him down, I'm just going to strike away. If my cane's here, and he grabs my cane, as Chris was saying, I change hands, I bring up, I'm coming over. I'm going to strike through. The same circle. I've either got to strike to the temple, I can then use it to hook through, I can hook the back of the neck, guillotine strikes. There's a various range of things we're going to do there. We won't go into them today because, again, this is part of the sticky cane as well, and we'll show you how we're adapting everything from now. Okay guys, we hope you like this video. As you can see, different part, we're now doing from the side, and it's, as we go through, we'll bring in more of these CTs into play. Please give us a thumbs up, write some comments, let us know what you thought of the video, what you'd like to see.
Don't forget to check out Mark Schey at www.kmasters.com and check him out on YouTube as well. There's some really good stuff on there. If you haven't already, please subscribe to us, ring the bell and free the fit.